Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into Nvidia's latest offering, the RTX 4080 Super GPU. This card promises to shake up the market with its improved performance and a more affordable price point. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Nvidia has positioned the RTX 4080 Super as an upgrade over its predecessor, offering a slight performance boost and significant price reduction. It comes with 16 GB of VRAM and targets gamers looking to step into 4K gaming without breaking the bank. The RTX 4080 Super sports Nvidia's signature design with a darker alloy finish. It retains the chunky build of its predecessors, accommodating a dual-fan cooling system within a 3-slot design. This might be a concern for smaller PC cases, so make sure to check your dimensions. Moving on to performance, the RTX 4080 Super shines at 1440p and 4K resolutions. In our benchmark tests, it consistently delivers over 100 FPS in most AAA games at 1440p and comfortably hits 60 FPS at 4K. Except for the most demanding titles like Metro Exodus enhanced on extreme settings. Comparing it against the RTX 4080 in AMD's Radeon RX 7900 XTX, the RTX 4080 Super shows a modest 3–4% improvement over the RTX 4080, making it a viable option if you're not aiming for the highest frame rates but still want solid 4K performance. Nvidia continues to leverage DLSS, deep learning supersampling, to enhance performance, especially at higher resolutions where it significantly boosts frame rates without compromising on visual fidelity. In terms of connectivity, the RTX 4080 Super offers 3 DisplayPort 1.4 ports and a single HDMI 2.1 port, suitable for high refresh rate monitors and 4K displays. It requires a 750 WPSU and includes a 12-pin PCIe 5 adapter, which some users might find cumbersome. Wrapping up, the Nvidia RTX 4080 Super impresses with its improved price-to-performance ratio, making it a compelling choice for gamers eyeing 4K gaming without splurging on the RTX 4090. While it doesn't redefine performance benchmarks, its affordability and solid performance make it a worthwhile upgrade from previous generations or mid-tier cards. So, should you buy the RTX 4080 Super? If you're upgrading from an older card and want to experience 4K gaming at a more accessible price point, definitely consider it. However, if you're a performance enthusiast chasing the highest frame rates and graphical fidelity, you might want to look at the RTX 4090 for that extra kick. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy gaming!